Hi crafty friends, Lacey here, the Cheeky Bum. I'm back with another Halloween embellishment box swap, and this one is from Nicolle. So she's wrote me this cute little note. She said both of hers are the same, and she's got an extra bag of goodies for me. And yes, on IG she is Sunday, is it Sunday Light In? Or Sunday Delight? Sun Delight In? I will link all of Nicolle's information down below. So if you gotta go give her some crafty love. So this little package is for me. I'm guessing that this is from her stash. But look how cute this little beehive is. Adorable. And then she's got Happy Halloween down here, but this is a cute little dangle, and I will definitely probably use this because I love bees and everybody likes to have a bee themed swap at some point in time. So perfect. Oh, this is really tangled up in here. So let me open this. I'll be right back. Okay. So we have a whole bunch of little things in here. What do we have in here? Oh, we have this cute little witch hat. That's really cute. So it's just a little witch, little like Twinchie. But how cute is that? I don't know if that's like this is a really cool paper. I don't know what kind of paper this is, but it's like embossed, and it's also like smooth textured, like glossy. That's really cute. We have a whole bunch of little tags. Love getting stuff like this, so I just don't have to cut them out, and you never know what somebody might have that you don't have. So love that. And then we have a little whimsy bag. What's in this little whimsy bag? So some paw prints. Some spiders. I don't have these spiders. Those are cool. We have, ooh, look at this. So this is like, I have some like this like from Michael's. So it's similar. It's like a crushed glass type of stuff. That'll be pretty. Oh, we have a little cauldron and an itty bitty little clay bit mix, but this is pastel. It's pink. It's got ghosts. It's got bats. So that is really, really cute. I love that. Love that. And then we have some more little embellies. How cute are these? So just some cute little, just like, I don't know, pennant bag, like flag type of just strip embellishments. I don't know if they really have a name, but these are bees. Again, this will go perfect with whatever kind of bee little thing I do. I do have enough stuff. Some of the bee paper that I have is very similar to this. I think I have enough to do like an album or traveler's notebook or folio or something like that I could throw these in. And I even get some bee embellishments over here. I know this is not what everybody's here for. They're here for the Halloween stuff, but I want to see it. I gotta show off her work. These are so cute. I really like these. And something I definitely wasn't expecting, but I love the mint and the yellow together. So cute. And then we got some more embellies. I like how she's made like her like little packaging boards. So it's like just, you know, some thick cardstock, and then she's got some, you know, pattern paper and stuff, but it makes it very nice, and she's rounded the edges. Like, it's just a great display. So we have some more of this like little banner embellies. These are a little bit more shabbier, but I like the looks of them. So we have a Dream and Enchant, and then she's taken some little wood veneers and like jazz them up. I would have never thought about that. That's so cute. So yeah, this is just a simple little ladder, but she's got this vine trim on here, and she's put little nail art pumpkins on here, and a couple little halfbacks. And then this is just a piece of a fence, and she's got a little sentiment on here, and she's just kind of layered it up. But those are so cute. Like, you see something new every day. Like, I wouldn't have thought of this, but those are really, really cute. So thank you so much, Nicolle, for thinking of me. And we're gonna get into her swap. Oh, we should probably get into this one first. Is it gonna? All right, I think that it'll, oh, okay, it will come off nice for me. So she's got these cute little Happy Halloween tags. I think that she definitely likes a little bit of shabby chic, but I love that. Oh, I don't want to, are you going to come off nice for me? It's not. So I don't really want to like ruin packaging for a swap partner, but she said that there's shakers in here, and it looks like some other goodies. She's got one of those little 2-inchies. She's got a little note with all of her information. It looks like she's got a card in here. But again, I don't want to like destroy packaging for her swap partner. I want her swap partner to be able to open it pretty easily. She's already sent in an ATC card swap like this. I know that the sticker comes off of this one. Really nice. So we'll at least show off her embellishment box. Oh, there's stuff in here too. So she said that shakers might be slightly different. Just like the shaker itself is the same decor, like the decorative pieces on it might not be the same. So here is her little box. I love this. It's little, but the requirements are that it was just supposed to have 9 compartments. But this is so cute. She's got like just some little, what is it, like chiffon type of trim up here. Chenille, I don't know what kind of trim. I don't know what, like gauzy. I don't know the proper name of it is. She's got some glitter tulle up here behind her little shaker bow. It says magic. It's really cute. I don't know where you got this little box from, but this is cute. So in here, let's zoom in so we can see everything in here. So in here we have charms. So we have enamel charms. A little kitty and the pumpkin is cute. Little witch hat. Oh, I don't know if I've seen this little kitty. He's cute. Another witch hat. So we have some just metal charms. So we have a key. Oh, this pumpkin is really pretty. A spider, a book, paw print. Ooh, look at these moons. These are so cool. I don't know where you got these, but these are really cool. I don't know if you made them. They're just like little resin moons, but these are really cool. And they are a charm. There's a little hole in the top. Those are really cool. And then she's got some wire wrapped beads here for you. Oh, all different types. Oh, very cool. I love these like moon iridescent type beads. And then in here, she's got a whole bunch of little tags all cut out. They're doubled up, so they're nice, like sturdy little tags. There's little stars. I love this little shape of one. There's hearts. And they're all like nice, fun fall colors. Little square diamond ones. These are cute little tags. So tags are all ready to go for you. Oh, I'll get those back in there. Don't you worry. There we go. And then here we have, it's table scatter confetti, but all fall. So there's pumpkins and there's leaves. But I'm not going to dive into it too much because they're all stacked in here. Also nice. We have flat back jemmies down here, all different sizes. We have some little like shabby flowers. Aren't these cute? Like little lace flowers. Those are cute. You get your little crushed glass mix. You get some of the little spiders like this. And then down here, she's got just like nail charms, little flat back. So we have a little kitty, we have spiders. Oh, different sizes of these cats. These are cute cats. I don't know if I've seen those. Little pumpkins, more spiders, little cat on a broom. I'm not going to dig him out because he might not go back in there. I don't know where you got these little cats from, but those are cute. I don't know if I've seen them yet. Maybe I have. I don't know. I've seen a lot of embellishment boxes, but I still feel like I keep seeing some new stuff. So thank you, Nicolle, for joining another one of my swaps. And make sure that you're giving everybody some crafty love. I will link all of her information down below. And yes. Oh, so you're also, I didn't see this was off to the side. So you're also getting a couple of the paw prints that she sent me, a little cauldron, and a little sequin mix as well. So much little fun stuff, and we'll save this little guy for her partner. So I'll be excited to see what these look like. I don't know if she's got anything up on her channel yet. I don't know if she does reveal videos or if it's just Instagram. I'll have to check and look. But make sure you give Nicolle some crafty love, and we'll see you in the next swap reveal. Bye, guys.